Alright guys, quick update. I got the carpet in and got the interior put back together for the most part. Oh, still got some tools in here. And just want to give a quick review on this carpet as far as the fitment. I mean, as you can see, it's definitely nowhere near as nice and fit as well fitting as the factory carpet. In particular, I don't know if you can see up here, but these front corners are just not very good at all. Big creases, which I hope will come out after a while. But nonetheless, it's in. It's new carpet. Cleaned up the console, and obviously, a little mock-up of where the 5-speed's going to be. You see, yeah, we got 3 pedals down there now. So there's a clutch pedal, brake pedal. So anyway, got that done, and I did get my the drive shaft safety loop is installed. So I figured got that done. I probably had that for a year sitting on the shelf, but this is a good time before I put the carpet in there. Cleaned up everything under there. So anyway, so far, you can see the wrinkles down there. That corner, both of the corners don't fit very well at all. It's obviously not molded to fit an 86. Must be some other just generic fox body, but this is mostly a drag car now, so I'll chalk it up to the weight savings. Which also, I did weigh that safety loop is about 5.5 pounds. So losing like 16 pounds on the carpet plus 5, still 11-pound loss total with putting the new carpet in. So anyway, there's kind of the look with it's got a clutch pedal in it now, and that's kind of how it's going to look with a 5-speed. And soon these seats will be probably going to get a set of Kirkies to put in here. So, but anyway, one thing I didn't realize or didn't think about when I was ordering this carpet, which I got the kind of medium gray, which it does match the seats, but the trunk carpet there is still the factory light gray. So there is kind of a little mismatch there. But I'm thinking if I do get floor mats, I'll just get some light gray floor mats to match the gray mat, the light gray mat in the back. And that should make it look nice. These dark gray mats in the front against the light gray. Kind of the same thing with the seats, the dark gray and the light gray. I'll just switch up to dark mats and get some light mats. And that'll probably put everything back into kilter. But anyway, yeah, there's the interior all put back together. Just center console is not bolted in, obviously, because we got to put the T5 in there and everything. But just as a quick mock-up, see what it looks like. So that's where we're at. Just waiting, waiting to get the heads, finish putting the engine together. We'll drop it in. All right, have a good weekend, everybody.